again at the hangar at Lakewood, Acme Cub Training's hangar, and we're winding down. Well, it's middle of August, and so the summer's hunting season started. The summer part's over, fall's gonna start. Anyway, our plans in our hangar for this winter are we purchased 4150 Zulu this spring, and we were gonna turn it, flip it, but we decided that we got to make it a little bit nicer, so we're gonna recover it, put Willow Mountain Ranch lower floorboards in it, move the battery forward. I'm gonna pull the metal belly off, put a fabric belly. We're gonna put 2,000 pound gross weight increase kit in it. We're gonna make it an airplane that's comparable to 79 Delta, 27293, 79 Papa, all the airplanes that everybody rant and raves about what a great airplane they are and how good they fly. Well, we're gonna do the same thing to 500. It's gonna emerge like our signature airplanes. Secondly, if you look down here, we got 78 Delta, which is an airplane that we didn't completely rebuilt it, but we put a 2,000 pound gross weight increase, put pistol flaps, put a new tail feathers on it, and as you see, we're right now putting another elevator on it right now because we built new tail feathers, and we're putting it on Edo 2000 floats. We got busy enough with our flight school that we needed 2 float planes, so it's going to be our second float plane. So our wheel planes are 8976 Delta and 8979 Delta. Our 2 float planes are 78 Delta and 77 Delta. So that's what we're going to finish off the year with, 2 float planes.